This video is going to show you how to create an account in Khan Academy, sign up for a course, and start on your first skill. Go into Safari and type in the website for Khan Academy, which is www.khanacademy.org. We're going to create a new account by clicking the login button in the upper right hand corner, and then clicking the sign up button also in the upper right hand corner. You're going to use your school account, which is a Google account, so you're going to click the Google button so you can sign in using your Google account, and then you're going to go ahead and put your student account in the top box. So that's your first initial last name with a 000 or a 001 at student.waukesha.k12.wi.us. And then go ahead and type in your Google password. You can go ahead and have it save your password if you want to. That's your choice. We're going to go ahead and allow Khan Academy to access your Gmail information. And then Khan Academy sets up the account. Now that the account is set up, we're going to sign up for the Algebra 2 Recovery course. And to do that, you go in the left sidebar menu where it says Coaches, and you're going to request a coach. And to add your coach, you're going to put in the course ID. And that course ID, here's the coach added. You see the message that you successfully joined the class. So now you are officially joined into the Algebra 2 Recovery class. So now we can go ahead and start our first skill. And to start our first skill, we're going to open up another web page, and we're going to go ahead and go to the site where we find our skill building and videos. And so we'll type in that website. It's http://goo.gl/lowercase j, lowercase b, capital C, lowercase j, lowercase f, capital F. And from here we can go ahead and pick the first skill. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first skill on the list, and that is 7EE1, combining like terms. If it starts in a number like 7 or 6, it's under the number and quantity section of the skill building. And so on the left sidebar, we click number and quantity, and then we can scroll down to 7EE1, combining like terms. And on this site, you can see there's several videos to help you learn how to combine like terms if you needed a refresher. And on this skill, you are required to complete quiz 1 and quiz 2. And you can see the Khan Academy logo there. That will put you into your Khan Academy account. And so we'll start off by selecting quiz 1. And as you can see, the quiz opens. And as you notice, up here in the upper right hand corner, your account is listed. And so that's one thing you want to be certain of, is that you have to make sure your account is listed up here in order for your skill building to count and be logged to your account. If you're not logged onto your account, it'll have a login button here. So if you see a login button here, go ahead and hit the login button and log into your account. So we're going to go ahead and go through the skill building here. And so we'll combine these like terms. We have two like terms, 8a and minus 5a. Adding those together gives us 3a and minus 2. And as you can see, we got that right. We'll go on to the next question by clicking the button again. Combining these like terms here, we've got 4n plus n, that gives us 5n. Minus 2 plus 1 gives us a minus 1. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit the next question. 8y minus 3y plus 3. So I'll go ahead and pretend that that is 4y plus 3, even though it's not, just to show you what getting a wrong answer looks like. So you notice how the check answer button kind of shakes back and forth, and you get an X up here because you got the answer wrong. So we can go back into the answer button and update the answer. It's actually 5y plus 3. Go ahead and check the answer, which is correct. And then if you notice, that answer is wrong, so now we're gonna start on this next answer here. Combining these terms, we get 11 plus 3n. And you want to keep going with the skill building until you get the indicated number of questions correct in a row. So for this skill, we have to get 5 questions correct in a row. And so we'll keep combining like terms until that happens. This is 4k plus 1, which is correct. So I've got 2 in a row. Combining these like terms, 3y and minus y is 2y. 6 minus 4 is plus 2. So now I've got 3 in a row. And if you notice, I'm starting to get points here. Minus 5t minus 4t is a minus 9t. Check that answer. I'm getting more points here. Got 4 in a row. So one more question correct and I can stop this skill. So minus 3 and a minus 6 is a minus 9. Plus p, check that answer. So I now have 5 in a row correct, and I can go ahead and stop that skill. So what does that look like on your end in Khan Academy? If we go back to our Khan Academy account and look in our account here, it'll see that you'll see that we've started to acquire some activity here. So it says level up to practiced in combined like terms. Up to practiced means you got 5 in a row. If you want to see what you did piece by piece, you go to the focus button in your left sidebar and click that focus button, and it'll give you a ring to show you what you have accomplished. And so if you notice, we only tried one skill. It's the combining like terms skill. You can tap on that skill, and this is how the instructor will check to see if you've gotten 5 in a row to allow you to sit for the summative. So if we tap on that skill, you notice it gives us the details. We've tried 8 problems. We got 7 correct without a hint. If I log on and look at you as a student, then I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and log out as a student. So I'm going to log on as the teacher now. And as we log into the teacher account, okay, so now I'm logged on as an instructor. And if I look at then my courses that I have on Khan Academy, and I go into Manage Students, I'll go into the Algebra 2 Recovery course, and there's the student just doing the skill work. And so I can go into that same focus button, and I can see the combining like terms detail. And if I tap on that, I can see now problem by problem what the student got right and what the student got wrong. So as a teacher, if I'm going to allow you to sit to retake a summative, what I'm going to look for here is I'm going to look for that you got 5 in a row correct on this summative. So if you notice, we got the first 2 correct, then we had a wrong one, then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row. So since I see 5 in a row, I would check off your contract and allow you to sit for the summative. So just to recap, we set up a Khan Academy account. We signed up for Algebra 2 Recovery. we did a practice skill that was combining like terms, and then I showed you what the teacher can see and the criteria right here that will allow you to sit to retake your summative.